Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back again with a jump off, and for today's video I want to do a video of two sandals that I picked up last month, and these sandals are from Gucci and YSL. Of course, it's pretty toe season, it's the summertime, so you're gonna be out here rocking your sandals, and I just could not leave these sandals. I had to purchase them. So let's jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start off with Gucci first, and I went ahead and picked up the Gucci platform sandals. I have been eyeing these for a year now, and these are the ones from last year. They have some newer versions, but this one is just captivating to me. It caught my eye, and even though it's been a year, I still love them, so I decided to go with them still. And because I was looking at this one, or the burgundy shade, but this one, it just suits me better, and I think it looks way better than the burgundy one. So let's get into the specs of these. So of course it comes in this gorgeous denim jaguar canvas, and it has the Gucci infamous print on it. It also has this brown sole, which I love, so it won't get dirty. And it has the Gucci stamp right here that says Gucci made in Italy. And on the bottom is a rubber bottom that has the Gucci emblem right here, and trust me, it's super cute. One thing I love about this is that it looks super cute on your feet. You may think it will look stumpy, but it doesn't. It will suit you well. It makes your feet look very slim and delicate. And what I love the most about this is I just love how it gives me this 90s era vibes, this retro vibes to it, which I feel like it's coming back. And I just want to be a part of that gang, okay? And also the height of this is 2.2 inches, I believe, and I got it in the size 41. One thing about it is that it's true to size. You don't have to size up. 41 is my size when it comes to luxury shoes or sandals, and I just love that it just conforms to your feet, that I don't have to size up or down. So that's great. Stick with your size if you want to get these. The pro that I like about this is that it's super comfortable. I was skeptical that I think that it would be uncomfortable and it would be hard to walk in, but it's super comfy and my feet is not slipping out of it, so I can really appreciate that. Also, it's pretty sturdy. I feel like it'll be very long lasting. Like, you can't damage these bad boys at all unless you're a cave woman, okay? But otherwise, you're very rough, and I'm very rough, and I feel like this will last me a long time, and I can really appreciate that. You can get your money's worth. It's so versatile that I can dress it up, I can dress it down, I can wear it with multiple outfits, and it would just be a statement piece for me in my closet. The con with these is that it's super heavy. At first initial use, you'd be a little bit turned off about it, but eventually you will get so used to it that it won't be so bothersome anymore. Don't be hesitant if you want to get it, if you hear people complain about how heavy it is. Also, another thing is that because of the canvas, you have to stay, just to make sure it's not worn or tear or get dissolute, you have to make sure to stay away from rain. Of course, with all shoes, to make sure you have longevity, you just have to keep them away from the rain. So don't worry outside when it's wet, okay? Just take care of them and they will be kind to you. One thing that I'm skeptical about, and I don't know, I may have to do some research, the rubber bottom, is it going to be worn down? Because given how bad I walk through and lap-sided, is it going to wear down after a while? You can see the weirdness on the bottom of the shoes, because that would irritate me so bad. It would break my heart. I'm going to put it to the test and see how long lasting the bottoms are, but so far I just love the sturdiness of this, and I've worn it already. And what I'm going to show you is how I style it. So the first outfit that I paired it with is actually a set from Zara. It's a white tank and white biker short set, and I paired it with a long sleeve striped shirt, and I love this outfit. I think it looks super cute. It goes together. I was wanting to get a darker blue, but I think the lighter blue gives it a contrast. It just looks great. Another way that I paired it too is I wore a jeans from Zara, straight jeans, and also my Gucci belt and the same white tank top. I put it on with the same shirt because I feel like you can just switch up your outfit and wear it different ways. So this is one of the outfits that I put together also with that. Let's jump into the other sandals that I picked up. The next one that I got is from Saint Laurent, and these, oh my gosh, like I walked into the store just eyeing stuff and it just caught my eyes, and I've been looking at them for a while. I'm like, I need these bad boys. Like, they're super cute. It is the YSL Cassandra Sandals in patent leather with gold tone monogram. And these, oh my gosh. Let's talk about these sandals. So I had to get the spiral. Actually, it comes in the patent leather and also the croc leather. I wanted to get the Crocs because I think they're super cute and unique, but the thing that I did not like is that it's pretty dull. And it just looks super shiny and looks more expensive, so I went with these instead. And as you can see, it's square-toed, and I think it's just super cute. Actually makes your feet look super long and chic. It has this toe hole loop and also this YSL initial at the front, and also an adjustable buckle strap right here. And look how nice. It has the YSL imprinted right here and also on the bottom. And again, my size is 41. Other specs of these is that it's 100% patent leather. Also, the heel of it has a slight heel right here that is 0.2 inches, like just nothing really. And it also has the leather sole of the shoes. It's pretty comfortable at the sole. One thing I did not really gravitate much to is right here. It's a tiny bit uncomfortable, but not enough that you have to take breaks when walking. I walked in the house with it. It's fairly new. I walked up and down for a little bit just to test them out, but I haven't went on the street yet, so I'll see y'all if they're super painful. But so far so good. Not the most comfortable, but not the most uncomfortable, I would say. And again, since it's patent leather, you just have to stay away from the rain to avoid wear and tear. And again, it's very delicate, this one. The Gucci one, I can probably be a little bit more careless with it. This one I have to avoid being abrasive with it because you can have a lot of scratches and dents into this and it won't look cute at all. So I just have to be a little bit more gentle with this, and I don't mind, but I just have to keep that in mind. And also, it's super cute, but you have to stay away from heavy oils and lotions on this because it can just get sticky and gooey on your feet. So don't put any oils at all on the bottom of your feet because it's going to be a gooey, sticky mess. So this is how both of them look. And with these, I don't really have any outfits that I want to really wear with them. But the thing is that with these is that they're black. They go with majority of anything. So I could throw them on with anything and it will just work. So this is something that you just don't really have to take into consideration how you're gonna style them. Just throw them on and it will complement your outfit. Only thing that I will be mindful of is to make sure that my accessories, that they're good as well to complement these. But yeah, they're super cute. So this is the unboxing of my 2 sandals for the summer. Let me know what you guys think down below about them. I'm really in love. There's another pair of sandals that I want to get, and this one will complete my wish list. And this is actually the Hermes Oran sandals. I want another pair or 2. I want a black and I also want a brown. I just don't know which one is going to come first, or if I'm just going to buy both, or I'm going to buy one and wait and get the other one. But I know for sure that I want either 1 or 2 of those sandals and I will be completed for this summer. Okay, I probably try to get the bag to go with this because I was looking at it in Gucci and they have the smaller one that is for like 800 and something. It's way too small. It can fit my phone though, but it's just way too small. And then they have the medium size in the same canvas for about $1,500 or $1,600. So I'm probably gonna get that one to complement this because it's just so cute that I can't pass it. I I'm just thinking about it. I've been thinking about it for a while to go back and get that one. So thank you so much for tuning into my unboxing video. It's been a while and I am back, and make sure to comment down below, let me know your thoughts, and also give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. If you like my channel, why not? And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you guys, bye. So this is the end of my video. I hope you liked my unboxing video. Let me know your thoughts down below if you like both of these sandals or if you already have any of these. Also, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.